In this video, I am going to discuss molecular form, how to convert into ionic form in redox reactions. Previous video, 5 parts I have done: calculation of oxidation numbers and disproportionation reactions, N factor calculation, and the next types of redox reactions and N factor calculation for other compounds also. Everything we have discussed. And one more part, balancing redox reactions also I have uploaded with the best shortcut. So now in this video, I am going to discuss molecular form, how to convert into ionic form. So see students, I have taken one equation here. This is one of the frequently we are seeing in examination, KMnO4, potassium permanganate, and this is oxalic acid. Oxalic acid, and in presence of acidic medium, it converting into K2SO4, potassium sulfate, manganese sulfate, carbon dioxide and water. What is this compound name? Oxalic acid. Okay. So next one, this is potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate. Now, this I have written one more point. Elements which are participating in redox reactions are called oxidants and reductants. Okay. And remaining all we call it as spectators. Means there is no change in the oxidation state. There is no change in oxidation state. If you have taken potassium left hand side, see, check it, this is +1 and this is -8, this is +7. And what about this one, -2, this is +2, this is +6, and -8 +6 +2, right? And this is -8 +6 +2. Mn +2, sulfate ion, overall you can take it, and sulfate is +6, you can take it +6, and -8 also, -8 +6. You can take like this also. And next one, students, what is this? Little more clearly I will write here. Yes, this is -8. Next, -4 +4 and -2 +2. These are the oxidation states of the given compounds. Here, if you look into potassium, here +1, here also +1. But two potassiums are there, students. +2. Each potassium is +1, right? So there is no change in the oxidation state. If you look into sulfur, sulfur also no change in the oxidation state. So potassium, sulfur, these are all what we call it as spectators. Spectators. Okay, manganese +7 to +2. Carbon, each carbon is +3 oxidation state. Here +4, it is changes is there. Water also, oxygen also -2, -2. There is no change. So finally, after that, I am going to write here ionic form with the help of above 2 points. What is that? MnO4 minus. Potassium is not using in the reaction because there is no change in the oxidation state. What we call it as spectator, MnO4 minus. Okay, next potassium is +1 charge, is going. So after that you can write like this. And next one, C2O4 2 minus. C2O4 2 minus, 2 H plus ions gone. And here H plus ions are active, H plus ion in acidic medium. And afterwards, what you are writing, potassium sulfate, no need to write. Next, manganese. Manganese also, if you write ionic form, +2. Sulfur, oxygen, no use here. And carbon dioxide. You can take like this equation. If you want to take water also, you can take it. Water also neutral compound, no change means no need to write. So finally, what is the main equation? This is your main equation. You will get questions like this in examination. So this is ionic form. Ionic form converting into molecular form converting into ionic form. That questions also we are getting. After that, you can apply the shortcut. So what is this? You have to solve this question and you can apply the formula. The shortcut, you can see the video. Based on that, we have some questions. Next question. Next one, everyone try this one, students. How to convert? Second question. Potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7 plus KCl plus H2SO4 gives rise to CrO2Cl2, chromyl chloride. This is the confirmation test for chloride ions. Dichromate in presence of H2SO4 means it is strong oxidizing agent. Even above case also, if you want to observe, you can observe oxidizing agent, students. KMnO4 in presence of acidic medium. KMnO4 in presence of acidic medium acts as good oxidizing agent. See, oxidizing agent means it oxidizes the neighboring group. Yes, +3 to +4 carbon. And itself it is reducing +7 to +2. So like that we are connecting the questions. You can expect this type of questions also. Among the following, which acts as oxidizing agent, which acts as reducing agent, like that. K2Cr2O7 and K2Cr2O7 in presence of acidic medium or basic medium. Next, KMnO4 in acidic medium or basic medium acts as strong oxidizing agents. Strong oxidizing agents. Strong oxidizing agents is nothing but itself it is reduction. Okay. Next one, CrO2Cl2. Complete this one. KHSO4 plus water. Okay, you have to balance this reaction also. Balance. This is molecular form. Okay, they had given here A, they had given here B, C, and what about this guy X, and this is Y. Like that they had given. Now, can you try this one? Can you try this question? How to write ionic form? Yes. Cr2O7 2 minus, right? 2 potassium gone. Potassium here and here you can calculate, there is no change in the oxidation state. Even chlorine also, this is -1. Here also each chlorine is -1 only, no change, no change. That's why you no need to write chlorine. Directly you can take it SO4 2 minus. SO4 2 minus. Okay. Now here, and this one, what is the CrO2 minus, CrO2 minus 2 plus this is SO4 2 minus. Plus water. This is neutral molecule, leave it.